Sunny! In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4 and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, you need to access all apps. Then scroll down and choose Settings. Following that, scroll all the way down again and click on About Phone. Lastly, you need to choose device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. When you're ready, click on OK and then OK in this device name pop-up. As you can see after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!